Okay, the objective here is to learn how to add icons or symbols into a Markdown text. So this is for users who are aware of the fundamentals with respect to Markdown. I'm planning to start a series in Markdown, so stay tuned. So let's jump right in. You can use any of the Markdown editors. There are plenty out there. Stack Edit, online editor. Then you have Markdown if you're using Mac. And the one that I'm using here is VS Code. It renders many code languages. So Markdown right here. Look at point number one. Follow my cursor that has icons and symbols. Let me show you a straightforward way to do this. Let's pick something else. We'll also see how can we add some colors like the one you just see here, the black turned green. So the customization is limitless and red. So we can do this too. Let's select a word that we want to replace. What about refresh here? Let's find our refresh icon. So the resource that I'm going to use here is Font Awesome. I'm sure some of you are aware of that. Font Awesome is a good resource to search for icons. Let me search refresh and go. Okay, let's assume that we want to add this icon right here. Click on that, and you have four different input methods. We are going to go with HTML. Click on the HTML code that copies it to your clipboard. Back to our editor and remove the word refresh and replace with the HTML code right here. As simple as it is. Make sure that you use the latest version of Font Awesome so that updated renders are applied. And to add colors or change dimensions, all you need to do is keep adding classes. Once iClass is done, give a space right before angular bracket, add style equal to double quotes, select your color. We are changing the color of the refresh icon here. Purple, and changes to purple. So we have um, more than just color to edit here. You can refer any of the HTML, CSS codes to implement that. Hope this was useful. To learn more about Markdown, stay tuned. I'm sure that I will face challenges when I'm creating content in Markdown and will make tutorials about it. Hope this helped and thank you.